Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to our maths class. Here I am Sajini John, your maths teacher. In the previous class, we have started heights and distances, and it is based on right angled triangle and trigonometry. And trigonometrical ratios are used for solving problems here. Okay, and once again you have to remember line of sight. A man is standing here and this is a tower and he is looking at the top of the tower. This is the line of sight, and the angle formed between line of sight and horizontal distance is called angle of elevation. And in the another figure, suppose a man is standing here on the top of a tower and looking down. At this stage, we can draw a horizontal line here, and the same line is line of sight, and an angle is formed in between horizontal line and line of sight. That is called the angle of depression. And we know that two parallel lines you can see here, and it is the transversal, and therefore we know these two angles are equal. Why? Interior alternate angles are equal. Therefore we can say that angle of elevation is equal to angle of depression. Okay, let's do some more questions from this chapter. Question number 6. A boy 1.6 meter tall is 20 meter away from a tower and observes the angle of elevation of the top of the tower to be 45 degree. That is first case. Second case 60 degree. Find the height of the tower in each case. So we can draw a figure using the given statement. Now you can see this is the tower. AB is the tower. You can see AB is the tower. A man is standing, a boy is standing here. You can see a boy is standing here. So CD is boy and his height is 1.6 meter. Okay, and observes the angle of elevation of the top of the tower. This is top of the tower, and from here we can draw a line. This is what? Line of sight. And in the first case the angle of elevation is 45 degree, and the boy is 20 meter away from the foot of the tower. So this is 20 meter. At this case it is a it is a rectangle, therefore dB is equal to CE. So here also we can write 20 meter, and we can write here this point is E. Now you can see a right triangle here. Okay, AEC, it is a right angled triangle. This angle is 45 degree, this angle is also 45 degree. So you can find AE. This is given 20 meter, 45 degree, and either you can use isosceles property or you can use trigonometrical ratios. If we use trigonometrical ratios in right angled triangle AEC, tan 45 is equal to AE by CE. Perpendicular divided by base. We know the value of tan 45, that is 1, which is equal to AE by CE is 20. Therefore AE is 20 meter, or directly we will get, if we apply isosceles property, we know that two sides of an isosceles triangle are equal, or the sides opposite to equal angles are equal. One angle is 95, so we know this angle is 45, therefore this one is also 45. Either you can apply isosceles property or trigonometrical ratios. Anyway, we will get 20 meter, and we know that CD, since CD is equal to 1.6, this EB also 1.6. So what is the length of this tower? Tower is AB, therefore 20 meter plus 1.6 meter. So the answer is 21.6 meter. Okay. Now question number 7. The upper part of a tree broken over by the wind makes an angle 45 degree with the ground. And the distance from the root to the point where the top of the tree touches the ground is 15 meter. What was the height of the tree before it was broken? Okay, this figure after breaking the tree. Okay, the upper part of the tree broken over by the wind makes an angle 45 degree with the ground. This is the figure. You just imagine like this. But you have to draw a right angled triangle. This is enough. Okay, but you have to imagine like this. Okay, now you can see it is a right angled triangle. Actually, what is the height of the tree before it was broken? That is AB plus AC, right? AB plus AC, that is the original height of the tree. So you can draw a right angled triangle. Actually, AB plus AC is the height of the tree. This angle is 45 and the distance between this is 15 meter. That is already given. Okay, now you can see one right triangle as usual in this height of the tree. First we can write height of the tree is equal to AB plus AC. In right angled triangle ABC, tan 45 is equal to perpendicular by base and substitute values, or you can use isosceles property. Okay, anyway AB is equal to 15 itself. But we want to find AC also. Okay, so for finding AC, which trigonometrical ratio we can use? Either cos or sine, right? Here we can take sine. Sine 45 is equal to AB by AC. Therefore, sine 45 is 1 by root 2, which is equal to 15 by AC. So, AC is equal to 15 into root 2. That is 15 into 1.414. We know the value of root 2. So, AC is 21.21. But what is to be found out here? Height of the tree. So you just add AB plus AC. AB plus AC is, you can see 15 plus 21.21, that is 36.21 meter. One more question from this exercise. Question number 8. The angle of elevation of the top of an unfinished tower at a point distance 80 meter from its base is 30 degree. Unfinished tower. Okay, this is 30 up to this unfinished tower. Okay, how much higher? This is the height. How much higher must the tower be raised so that its angle of elevation at the same point may be 60 degrees? Same point here, 60 degree. This is the question. Read the question once again and you will understand. And after reading, you have to draw a figure like this. If you draw the figure correctly, you will get 1 mark for that figure. And if you write the trigonometrical ratio correctly, you will get 1 more mark, 2 marks there. Okay. Here, actually, unfinished tower is AB and height of the tower must be raised is AD. Okay. Now, we want to find this height only. This height. How much higher must the tower be raised? So, this much. That is AD. If you can find BD and AB, then what is the relation between AD and these two? AD is equal to, you can write AD is equal to BD minus AB. In this, from this figure, we can see two right triangles, ABC and DBC. In ABC, if we use ABC, you can find AB. And if you use DBC, you can find DB. It's very easy. Now, in right triangle ABC, tan 30 is equal to AB by BC. you can substitute the value of tan 30 there. 1 by root 3 is AB by 80 because this is BC is 80. Now as usual, AB is equal to 80 by root 3. Now the other right triangle you can choose. In right triangle DBC, tan 60 is equal to BD by BC. That tan 60 is root 3 is equal to BD by 80. So BD is equal to 80 root 3. Now we can connect these two. That AD is equal to BD minus AB, that is 80 root 3 minus 80 by root 3. Take 80 outside and simplify. You can see the steps. Take LCM here. At this stage, you will get 80 into 3 minus 1 by root 3. After doing this, you can rationalize the denominator. It becomes 160 root 3 by 3. And substitute the value of root 3 here. 160 into 1.732 divided by 3. And at this time, you will get the result 92.37 meter. 92.37 meter. That is the answer. Okay. The height of the tower must be raised is equal to 92.37 meter. Now next exercise 22B. In the figure is already given, given below. It is given that AB is perpendicular to BD and is of length x meters. DC is equal to 30 meter, angle ADB is equal to 30 degree and angle ACB is equal to 45 degree. Without using tables, find x. That is the question. Find this x. If we use isosceles property, we can directly write AB is equal to x. Now you can see in this right triangle ABC, BC is x, at the same time AB also x. In this question we want to find x, okay, right? And we can see the other right triangle ABD. In this right triangle DB is equal to 30 plus x, right? And this angle is 30 degree, okay? So you can write the steps. BC is equal to x, BD is equal to 30 plus x. Now consider that right triangle ABD. Tan 30 is equal to, we can choose tan 30 is equal to AB by BD. Substitute values. 1 by root 3. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3, which is equal to x by 30 plus x. Cross multiply and you will get, you can see the steps. At this stage, x is equal to 30 divided by root 3 minus 1. What can we do next? Here, rationalize the denominator. That is the method for simplification. Okay. So, multiply numerator and denominator by root 3 plus 1 and we get 30 into, substitute the value of root 3 here. And the denominator is now in the form a minus b into a plus b, that is a square minus b square, that is 3 minus 1. Now simplification is very easy, that is 30 into 1.732 plus 1, that is 30 into 2.732 divided by 2. And after simplifying, you will get the answer 40.98 meter. Now question number 4. From the top of a lighthouse 100 meter high, you can see a lighthouse here. Okay, no need of drawing this light. Now AB is the lighthouse, 100 meter high. We can write that here. The angles of depression of two ships are observed as 48 degree and 36 degree respectively. Okay, find the distance between the two ships. First case, the ships are on the same side of the lighthouse. Now you can see angle of depression of two ships are observed as 48 degree and 36 degree. You can see two ships here. Look, you are not supposed to draw ships and this lighthouse. Okay, you just draw this right angled triangle only. Okay, now from here, angle of depression of the first ship is at the point C and second ship is at the point D. Okay, angle of depression is 48 degree. At the same time here also, because angle of elevation and angle of depression both are same, therefore we can mark here also 48 degree. The other ship, that is 36 degree. This is the smaller angle, right? This is bigger angle. Okay, and when you get a question like this, angle of depression, at the for the figure you have to draw a horizontal line here and mark these two angles here. That is very important. If you draw the figure correctly, then only you will get 1 mark for this figure. Okay, no need of drawing this ship or light anything else. You just draw the right triangle only. Okay, now what is to be found out here? Now in the first case, the ships are on the same side of the lighthouse, same side. This is the lighthouse, same side. Okay, second case, ships are on opposite side. One ship is here at the same time, the other ship is on the other side. Okay, now what is the ships are on the okay, find the distance between these two ships. Okay, now you can see two right triangles here also, ABC and ABD. From ABC you can find BC. From ABD you can find BD. Just find the difference between these two, you will get the result, DC. Okay, let's start. Distance between two ships is CD, and we know CD is equal to BD minus BC. Now from right triangle ABC, first always you have to look at the figure and then write the steps. In right triangle ABC, tan 48 degree is equal to AB by BC. Okay, BC is equal to AB by tan 48. Then we know tan 48 is a decimal, 4 decimal number, and it is difficult to divide. Therefore, we have to think another method. You just take cot 48. Cot 48 is BC by AB, and it at this time the value of cot 48 is not given in your class table, so you have to convert this cot 48 into tan theta in terms of tan. That is, we have already learned cot theta is equal to tan 90 minus theta, right? Therefore, cot 48 can be written as tan 90 minus 48. Therefore, tan 90 minus 48 is tan 42. We know the value of tan 42 is 0.9004. That is equal to BC by 100. Now cross multiply, we get BC. BC is equal to 100 into this. This is more easier. Multiplication is more easier than division. So you have to do this problem like this. Therefore, BC is equal to 90.04 meter. And similarly, in right triangle ABD, here also we can take cot 36 is equal to BD by AB and convert cot 36 in terms of tan. That is tan 90 minus 36, that is tan 54 into this 100 is equal to BD. Then when you simplify, you will get BD is equal to 137.64 meter. Now we want to find the distance between two ships. That CD is equal to BD minus BC, that is 137.64 minus 90.04. When you add subtract it, you will get 47.60 meter. And in the question itself it is given the you have to write the answer in the nearest meter, so you can write the answer as 48 meter. And second case, you can see the figure like this. This is the lighthouse and two ships are on the opposite sides of the lighthouse. Here what is the distance between these two? You just add these two distances and you will get the result 227.68. So Listen, dear students, when you get a question from height and distances, you have to read the question twice. And with the help of the given statement, you have to draw figure correctly. Then you will get an idea how to solve it. Okay? And then you can use proper that appropriate trigonometrical ratio and you will get answer. Okay, thank you.